Hello all and welcome back. In my previous video, I had reviewed desktop version of Wondershare eDrawMax, and in this video, I will show you online version of same Wondershare eDrawMax application and its new features. As we know, eDrawMax is all-in-one solution for your diagram needs, and you can access its online version by clicking on browser symbol. Now click on Get Started Now to launch the online version of eDrawMax. Since it is an online tool, you don't have to worry about limitations on devices or operating systems. Similar to desktop version, even online version has all the professionally designed templates, enabling you to create 280 plus of different diagrams, including flowcharts, management diagrams like decision making and cause and effect diagrams, software development like UML diagrams, building plans like floor plan diagrams, and even more. There are 2000 plus of professionally designed templates spread across all these categories and 26,000 plus of built-in symbols. You can share your work directly via social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. Since it is an online tool, you can access all your works anywhere and anytime using its cloud service. So let's check out new feature available in this online tool. Online tool of eDrawMax has introduced a new feature called User Generated Template Center, which has lots of diagrams from many advanced eDraw users, and it can easily help you to get inspirations. Say for example, you may not find the relationship between Venn diagram and bubble map, but if you look at the example of this Venn diagram, which shows the comparison between whales and fish, an advanced eDraw user found that a bubble map method has similar use like Venn diagram, and it's even more easy to understand. So you can easily find out secret use of different diagrams and use this diagram to tell your stories. As I said before, there are many advanced eDraw users contributing their diagrams into Template Center, and you will find lot of professionally designed templates very easily. All diagrams are basically classified into two main sections, and each section has different categories with their own diagrams. Under role section, you will find diagrams based upon job roles like marketer, product manager, HR, education, and few more. Under diagram types, you will find long list of diagrams, and each of these have many professionally designed diagrams contributed by all advanced eDraw users, and of course, these diagrams will increase on daily basis. Under each diagram type, you will find recent releases, most viewed, and most liked diagrams. You can also search any type of diagram using search bar on the top. On any particular diagram, you will find details like number of views, favorites, and likes. You can also check out the profile of contributor, review all his works, and see how many other contributors he is following and even how many are his followers. You can also follow any contributor if you like his diagrams. So to use any diagrams from template gallery, just click on it and then choose Use Immediately option. After that, diagram gets loaded. You can easily edit its title, heading, subheading. You can even import symbols and add them into your diagrams. These diagrams will be completely editable. Once your editing is done, you can go to File menu and export this diagram into any different file formats. That's really a very useful and time-saving feature. In Template Gallery, you can spend time finding useful templates with meaningful content. Not just that, you can create your own diagrams, contribute, and get a chance to be seen and loved by other eDraw users. So let's create a diagram using any of the inbuilt eDrawMax templates and edit it as per your requirement. Once the editing is done, click on Publish option, provide a name to your diagram, some description and tags, and then click on OK. Your diagram will be reviewed, and if it is approved, it will be added into Template Gallery. The last important point is you can also access Template Gallery directly through eDrawMax website by just clicking templates option on top and explore all the different diagrams. So as we have seen, template gallery is really a great feature and it has many professionally designed templates increasing every day. So save your time by using already submitted templates or contribute your own templates to help others by becoming a part of this growing eDraw users community. So feel free to make use of this great feature. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.